Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. I just woke up. It's almost 9. It's like 8:45, and I usually wake up around like 8:30, but this morning my body decided to wake up at 7. And I don't know why. I haven't woken up at 7 on my own in months. So I don't know why. I feel like I'm just like really leaning down very far. Hold on. I have a light here. Yeah, maybe that's a little better. I don't really know. I don't think so, but whatever. But yeah, I figured I'd vlog today. Me and Raph are gonna be going to Cheesecake Factory. We're going to the mall area, which it's like a fancy mall area, and I really like it. So we're going over there. Apologies if my hair looks really weird. I parted it like directly in the middle this time, and normally I part it like a tiny bit to the side, but this time it's like literally right in the middle, and I feel like it looks a little weird. But yeah, me and Raph are going over to the mall area today. We're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory, and then we're gonna walk around the mall, and I have a pickup order that I need to get at Nordstrom, so that's very exciting. It's something that I really needed anyways, and I kind of just needed an excuse to get it because it has to do with travel. It is a bag, so we'll do an unboxing at the end of the video. It's something that I really needed for travel because I don't have one of these. And speaking of travel, me and Raph are going to New York in June. So we're actually doing some kind of travel stuff, and I'm super freaking excited because I have wanted to go to New York for a very long time, but I just haven't. I don't know why, but I've wanted to go. Raph's been to New York before. He went back in 2019, and that was the first time that he came to visit me in America. So he stayed like a night or two in New York, I think, and then he came to see me. But so we're gonna go back, well, he's gonna go back. I'm gonna go for my first time, and oh my god, I can't wait. If any of you that are watching this are like New York natives or locals, or if you've been there like for a couple of years at least, or if you used to live there, you get it. Let me know some good places to go eat. I have a lot of stuff already, but I need more. I need more stuff, and I've already got our tickets booked for the summit. We're doing the Summit 1 Vanderbilt. I've already got that done because I can't believe it. We're going in June, and when I was booking the tickets, they were saying that they were already selling out in June on the day that we were gonna go. So I was like, oh shit, I need to just really grab these like super fast. So I did. I do also want to go to the Museum of National History. Is it National History? It's the one with all the dinosaurs. I want to go to that museum so badly. And then I want to go, Raph really wants to go to the Met, which is great. And then I want to go to the MoMA, which both. I like the Met as well. I love the Met. I think out of all of them, I want to go to the Museum of Natural History. That's what it is, not national. I want to go to the Museum of Natural History, probably more than any of the other ones. I love art. I do. I love art, and I would prefer to probably go to the MoMA instead of the Met, but I don't know, man, dinosaurs, that's so cool. I'm just really into it. Anyways, I'm gonna drink my coffee that you saw me making in the first couple of clips, and I'll update you whenever something fun happens. Literally right now, I'm just going to not be doing anything. I was gonna say I was gonna make mochi, but I don't have the glutinous rice flour yet. It's coming in, and it's coming in today, but I was thinking I have literally everything else to make mochi, but I don't have the rice flour, so I need that. I found a TikTok on making strawberry mochi, like strawberry jam mochi, and oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm gonna make that at some point soon. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Bye. I wanted to show you my outfit for the day. Can I zoom? Yeah. Okay, so here's my outfit for today. I've got this sleeveless, what is this? Bodysuit on from Aritzia. I like this color a lot too. And then I've got this blazer on. I got this from Neiman Marcus, I believe, and I forget the name of the brand. I still have the tag on it because I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm like pretty sure I'm gonna keep it, but I'm just keeping the tag on it just in case. And then I've just got my Abercrombie jeans on. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't have any shoes on yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to wear my, just like some sneakers or something like that. But this is today's fit. This is who the blazer's by, and I got it from Neiman Marcus. See, I still have the tag on. We made it here. We're in Starbucks now. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. I don't even think you're gonna be able to hear me actually, but we've got our names put in at Cheesecake Factory. He decided he's gonna actually eat here instead of eating real food.
Yes.
And
Double baked.
And I got a chai latte, so yeah, but I'll show you that whenever I get it. I got a chai latte. I love chai lattes so much. So good. I'm going to Nordstrom now to get my pickup order, so I'll bring it with me. I've got the goods, and now we're in Cheesecake Factory, just still waiting on our table, but it shouldn't be too much longer. But I got the goods. I'll do an unboxing later. Oh my gosh, here are the drinks. I usually get this. This is a lemon drop, and it looks so good.
Mochi.
Yeah, and then today I wanted to get something different, so I got this like tiki fruit drink. How's yours? Is it good? Let me try this. This is really good. It's not like overly sweet. It's a little tangy. This is great. Oh, you want to try it?
That's very good.
It's good, right?
It's got the best.
Yeah. We love that.
I would literally come here just for the drinks.
Well, hey, if we live closer, we could come all the time. I almost forgot to film because I wanted to eat. I was so hungry. But I got the fish tacos as always. It's grilled fish tacos. They're so good. I got some mac and cheese and broccoli. Rob's eating the broccoli because he had that sandwich, so he wanted to eat something healthy. But we're gonna have cheesecake afterwards, so thank you so much. All right, I'm so excited. Oh my god. So this is our cheesecake. Oh shit. It's like a chocolate cheesecake with Snickers. I don't know, I was really into it. And then he got the lemon meringue. This is nuts. Wow. I want to like get my first bite on camera here. I have to eat with my left hand. Okay. Oh my god. It's so good. He's a little tipsy. Wow. Very good? Oh yeah.
Incredible.
Loves it. Okay, hi, we're back home now, and we have our best friends coming over to play Nemesis. It's a board game, it's really fun, but I wanted to do the little unboxing that I said that I would do. Yeah, this is from Nordstrom, and this is what I got. I will continue to film after this, but I know that people want to see the unboxing, so yeah, here's this, and I thought I was gonna get a box with it, but I didn't get a box, but look, can you see that? Can you see who it's by? I don't know. I hope you can see that, but I'm so excited and I feel like, ooh, she's pretty. Oh, God, that dust bag was like so tight. Look what this is what I got. Look at her. She's so pretty. And I know that this right here doesn't really scream like spring, summer, and I'm very aware of that. I am aware, I do know that, but I think that, I don't know, I really liked this color. I loved the black with the brown stripes going down the side, and of course this is the Chloe Woody tote if you have not seen this before, and I did get it in the large size because this is going to be my like tote travel bag for when we go to New York and any other travels that we do in the future. It's actually not as big as I thought that it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to be massive, but I like that it's like this, and it looks like it still has like a little bit of structure to it, you know what I mean? So it is big, and it'll fit my laptop. I was thinking between this one and the medium size, and my laptop is a 16-inch MacBook, and the medium size wouldn't fit my MacBook, so I had to get the large size anyways. And I was thinking about the large size to begin with because I'm gonna be packing like my laptop, my iPad, some clothes, like my bulkier stuff, like just like carry-on, like a carry-on bag, you know? So yeah, this is her, and it is the black, it is wool here. So I know that everyone's probably going, Kenzie, that is so like, that's so autumn winter, it's not spring summer at all. I know, I just really liked this, and I liked the other one, like the fabric one, canvas fabric, whatever it was. I liked it, but I still liked this one so much more, so I'm glad that I just went with what I liked. She's very cute. I'm actually really excited to like put stuff in her. She is a little more structured than I initially thought, which is great. I thought that I might need to get a bag organizer for this, which I probably still will just in case, but yeah, here she is. And that's it for now. I just wanted to show her off to you guys, and yeah, let me know what you think of her in the comments. Let me know if you like this color story or if you like the other one more. But I will film again when our friends get here and show you the board game. It's very cute, but that's the update for now. All right, it's a little bit later now. Katie and Aaron are not here yet. They're gonna be here soon, but I'm making something very exciting, and it's my first time. You can't even see this. It's my first time ever making this, and I'm making mochi from scratch. I found this recipe on TikTok, actually. It's from, here she is. She's the cutest thing, and she makes this strawberry mochi, so I'm following her recipe to do that. And it's pretty simple. I mean, there's some prep work that goes into it, but I've already made the whipped cream up here. It's in the freezer, and now I am actually getting to the part of making the mochi. So I'm really excited about that, and as soon as it's done, yeah, are you excited? He loves mochi. He just doesn't like red bean. I love red bean, but he loves mochi, so I'll let him try some later. All right, the mochi's done. They look like raw chicken nuggets, but you know, for my first try, I don't think they were like horrible. The consistency is pretty decent. It's just, I don't know if it's sweet enough, you know?
They were scrumdiddlyumptious.
Oh, that's very nice, love. So anyways, yeah, they look like crap, but there's whipped cream and like strawberry jam, big puree in there, and I don't hate them. They're fine, but
When it comes to a board game like this,
we're also playing Nemesis.
I'll just give you a very brief introduction to the game, but then we'll learn.
Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and I wanted to go ahead and in this vlog. I forgot to end it last night because I was so tired. After Katie and Aaron left, I just passed out. But yes, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the vlog. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the little shopping stuff, even though I didn't really even go into that many stores. I apologize. Next time I'll go into more stores, but I just wanted to kind of get in and get out this time. But I checked Chanel, and they didn't have anything new in my Chanel store that's near me. Is really small, so they don't really get in a lot of stuff. So it is what it is. But I hope that you enjoyed this vlog anyways, and if you did, then go ahead and click up. Oh, and I hope that you like the Chloe bag that I got. I mean, that's also part of it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the bag, and yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Again, if you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and don't forget to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.